Number 44 in the Chroma Frost is El Toro Loco from the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. And as you can already tell, that Chroma Frost is already beaming out from the truck body. We'll take a look at it. I already have Crustacean and Dragon in the Chroma Frost line. And the other one is Zombie Hunter. Now here is Gravedigger Epic Editions, or they call this one the Grandma Gravedigger, or the Road Finals Gravedigger. There's El Toro Loco, Big Kahuna and Tour Favorites, Radical Rescue and Epic Editions, Bad News Travels Fast with Clear Crushers, Lucas Oil Crusader and the X-Ray Body, Monster Mutt Junkyard Dog and the MJ Dog Pound, Brutus with the MJ Dog Pound, and Pirate's Curse in Tour Favorites. So I got this one off of eBay from the same seller that I got the Big Kahuna truck off of. So I'm guessing this is from Case M. Let's go ahead and unbox El Toro Loco. And while I do that, there is no El Toro Locos in Case L, because I'm going to be getting Case L from Grandpa's Diecast. Now there is in Case M, which is this one. Here's the green recrushable car. Case K, we don't know what's in Case K yet, so whether or not this will be in Case K, I don't know. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the Chroma Frost El Toro Loco. I know it's Chroma Frost, but it looks like a brown body instead of some other kind of body that they usually do for El Toro Loco. Now you can see it does have the brown wheels, the brown chassis. It has the BKT Hot Wheel tires. And I'll bring this up close here so you can see there's El Toro Loco, Monster Jam, and the Hot Wheels logo. There's the Hot Wheels logo. It's hard to see, but it's down there. There is the top of El Toro Loco. So it's a pretty cool Chroma Frost truck to do. Here's the back of El Toro Loco. Very nicely done. It's a pretty cool truck with the Chroma Frost. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review.